Phrasal verbs. Get free PDF for more practice, link in description. Do subscribe our channel Attainment of English and press the bell icon for more videos. Let's start. Get in. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get out. Hold the door open so that I can get out. Hold the door open so that I can get out. Get off. You must get off the bus at the next stop. You must get off the bus at the next stop. Get on. Please get on the bus. Please get on the bus. Take off. Take off your shirt. Take off your shirt. Put on. Put on your jacket. Put on your jacket. Come off. His hair began to come off. His hair began to come off. Take out. Don't forget to take out the garbage. Don't forget to take out the garbage. Run away. The thief had run away when the policeman came. The thief had run away when the policeman came. Look after. Please look after my luggage for a minute. Please look after my luggage for a minute. Tear up. Why did you tear up that letter? Why did you tear up that letter? Grow up. She will grow up into a beautiful girl. She will grow up into a beautiful girl. Pick up. Pick up your pencil and write your name. Pick up your pencil and write your name. Get up. It's time to get up. It's time to get up. Fill in. Fill in your name and address. Fill in your name and address. Thanks for watching.